DG120 wiring diagram. 12 VDC power keypad. Power keypad. 12 VDC power electric lock 1. Power relay 1. Relay 1 electric lock 1. Lead electric lock 1. PB1 exit button 1. VDC power electric lock 2. Power relay 2. Relay 2 electric lock 2. PB2 exit button 2. DG series wiring diagram. 12 VDC power keypad. Power keypad. 12 VDC power electric lock 1. Power relay 1. Relay 1 electric lock 1. Lead electric lock 1. PB1 exit button 1. 12 VDC power electric lock 2. Power relay 2. Relay 2 electric lock 2. PB2 exit button 2. Enter programming mode, add user code. Enter master code twice and 2 beep sound. Enter programming mode. Press start key 001 and enter PIN code. Press start key 002 and enter PIN code. Press start key 003 and then enter PIN code. Press start key 004 and then enter PIN code. Press 050 and then enter PIN code. Press pound, returning to standby mode. Completed. Delete user code. For instance, delete the 003 user code. Enter programming mode first. Press start key 003 and then 00000 to delete user code. Press pound going back to standby mode. Deleting is completed. Set relock time. Enter programming mode first. For relay 1, press start key 100 and enter 0199 to set relock time. For relay 2, press start key 200 and then enter 00. After programming is completed, press pound and keypad is back to standby mode. Latch-in mode means door opens after you enter PIN code, and door closes after you enter PIN code once again. What is anti-tailgate function? Door opens for 3 seconds and then locks. More 7-second time delay is cancelled. This can prevent tailgating. Change master code. Enter programming mode. Press start key 000 and then enter new master code. Press pound, returning to standby mode. Master code has been changed to 08135. Reset master code to factory default value. To reset the keypad, Open the keypad cover and remove the reset jumper. Remove the reset jumper. Keypad sounds 5 beeps. Position the reset jumper over position 1, 2. Master code has been reset to factory default value 12,345.